electronic music for you today. That's called the Bonny by Gerry Cinnamon. And we were just watching some videos of him. He's so cool. Playing in front of, looks like 100,000 people. Amazing. Great energy. What I like about the song and I want to share with you is this sort of feel. It's sort of a bouncy kind of feel. I can play it with a pick, but I'm going to play it fingerstyle. And I may do it a little bit with a pick as well, just to show you. But so, it's capoed up 3rd fret, and it's called the Bonny. And if you want to play along with Gerry Cinnamon, here's how it goes. So I'm just going to call the chords as they lay on the frets here. It's a G position, so you're in a G. But I want to share this with you. I'm kind of bouncing off a D string. Put a little hammer on there. See that? So I'm bouncing. Kind of a folk thing. You'll see this a lot of different people use it. Banjo players use it. That's kind of the vibe of it. Okay? Basically the way the song goes. He does a lot of things with it. He plays a little harmonica, hangs at the G forever and ever and ever. So it goes like this. C, G, then to D, C, E minor, back to G, C, G, D, C, E minor. Hangs here. But it's a pretty lively tune, and if you can catch that finger pattern that I'm doing here, I get into this kind of stuff in depth in some of my courses. I don't have a whole lot of time to get into that here, but if you can watch how I'm strumming down on my slow motion, you come down on that G. In this case it's a B flat, but we won't talk about that because it's capoed. Let's not bother. You come down on the E string, let's say, okay? So it's, then you come down, and then pretty easy little move there, hammer on. And if you put that together, and here's the, kind of like that. Attempt to sing it because he's got such a great way of doing it. But this is the music from the song. Now if you want to hear what that sounds like with a pick, it's going to sound a little bit different. And if you're a person who doesn't normally play fingerstyle, I'm going to grab a pick right here. I think I got one right here, yeah. Here's what it sounds like with a pick. It's a little bit different. Bad. Just a little different feel. For some people that might be easier. So there's the Bonny by Gerry Cinnamon.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.